Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best practices for managing manufacturing costs using Odoo, the powerful open source ERP. If you're a manufacturer looking to improve your bottom line, this video is for you. Manufacturing cost management isn't just about cutting expenses, it's about optimizing processes, maximizing efficiency, and making sure every dollar counts. With rising raw material and labor costs, having the right strategies and tools in place is more important than ever. Odoo offers a suite of tools tailored for manufacturing cost transparency and control. Here are a few standout features: Bill of Materials, BoM, costing, track costs for each component in your products, work orders and routings, monitor process steps, and assign labor costs accurately. Real-time inventory valuation, automatically update inventory values to reflect the true cost. Cost analysis reports, generate in-depth reports by product, work center, or order. How do you leverage Odoo for the best results? Here are the top best practices. Accurate data entry. Start with clean, up-to-date bills of materials and routing details. Inaccuracies lead to wrong cost calculations. Automate data collection. Use Odoo's IoT integrations or barcode scanning to update materials and labor consumption in real time. Regular cost review. Use Odoo's reporting tools to review costs after each production run. Look for variances and investigate the root causes. Leverage product costing methods. Understand and select the right costing method: standard, average, or FIFO. Odoo supports all three, so choose based on your business needs. Implement work centers and cost centers. Define work centers and assign overhead labor costs accurately. This helps in tracking machine utilization and labor efficiency. Monitor scrap and wastage. Set up reporting for scrap and wastage. Analyze trends and address root causes quickly to minimize losses. Companies using Odoo's cost management tools have reported increased profitability and better production planning. With real-time insights, management decisions become faster and more data-driven. That wraps up our quick guide on mastering manufacturing cost management with Odoo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments below. See you in the next video. www.o2btechnologies.com